Hello everyone, so welcome to another video. My name is MUAAZ and you're watching MUAAZ. In this video, I will show you a quick unboxing of SteelSeries Rival 110. This is a great gaming mouse from SteelSeries and you can buy this mouse for as low as $30 US. I will put the link in description, so without wasting any further time, let's unbox this. So there is nothing special in the box. You get the mouse itself and some paperwork with it. So let's talk about the design of the mouse. I was using a Razer Death Adder from last 2 years and I decided to upgrade my mouse. And I was thinking to get a Rival 310, but when I went to the market, only Rival 110 was available. So I picked this one. Rival 3 is also in the market. If you are ordering new mouse from Amazon, you can also check Rival 3. I will put the link in description. It's a brand new mouse in the Rival series. Rival 110 is a bit smaller if you compare this to Rival 310, and this mouse has ergonomic design and it's an ambidextrous design, so you can use this with your left hand or your right hand. So it's suitable for both left-handed and right-handed gamers. The only drawback is that it has buttons only on the left side of the mouse. So if you are a right-handed gamer, you can use the side buttons. Due to smaller size of the side buttons, it's very hard to use this mouse as a palm grip mouse. You can use this mouse as a claw grip mouse. The mouse wheel is also changed in this mouse a bit. The mouse wheel is smooth and the button on the mouse wheel is hard. You have to push it with the large force to use it. The left and right click on this mouse have a maximum life of 30 million clicks. So after using this mouse for last 2 weeks, I think it's not suitable for a person with bigger hands like me. If you have smaller hands, this mouse is a perfect fit for you. The sensor in this mouse is a TrueMove sensor from SteelSeries and the maximum CPI is 7200. Most gamers play at around 600 to 800 CPI. So you have to find your sweet spot between 400 and 1200 CPI. I have been using this mouse from last 2 weeks and I have been playing different games at around 800 CPI and I think it's great at this CPI. So you can also adjust in-game sensitivity depending on your CPI. Make sure to use lower CPI as it will improve your accuracy in gaming. The wheel on this mouse have slightly different texture if you compare this mouse with previous Rival 100. The wire length is great and the sides are also textured, so it provides better grip. SteelSeries Rival 110 also features prism lighting. There are 2 light zones, one in the scroll wheel and one in the logo. You can set it to any color using the SteelSeries software. So I was really impressed by the SteelSeries Engine 3. You can use this software to change CPI, button layout, and the colors on your gaming mouse. The CPI can be increased in a multiple of 100, so you can select 400, 500, 600 and so on. You can also set the acceleration of mouse using this software. So if you have a smaller mouse pad, make sure to use larger CPI, and if you have bigger mouse pad, you can use smaller CPI value. I am using CPI value around 800. There are 2 steps for sensitivity. You can switch between sensitivity using the button on the mouse. The lift-off distance for this mouse is also great. It's almost half the height of a remote control.
They are very low. They are very low.
Fuck. Two car. Hide.
Good job.
So this is a great mouse from SteelSeries, and if you have bigger hands you cannot use this mouse as a palm grip mouse. You can use this mouse as claw grip mouse. The buttons on this mouse are great and they have a life of 30 million clicks. Ergonomics of this mouse are great and both left-handed and right-handed gamers can use this mouse. The only drawback is that you have buttons only on the left side of the mouse. The buttons are hard to press and the scroll wheel button is also hard to press. So I will put the link in description for the Amazon listing, and if you are interested in buying this mouse, make sure to buy from my affiliate link. Hope you liked this video. If you are interested in watching more content like this, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.